How to buy ELIXIR token. Now this token came under the symbol of ELX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure that you check the ELIXIR account and keep following updates about this token. And as you can see, if you go to MEXC listing account, and you will be able to find this post, they said here pre-market listing alerts. So MEXC will list ELIXIR on pre-market on March 6, 25 at 8 UTC. So if you go to MEXC account, so if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description, we'll be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC, go and log into account. Go back to this page, try to copy the token sample. It's called ELX. As you can see, you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, just wait to load this page. As you can see, you need to wait 8 hours to be able to buy this token. So after 8 hours, it's count down. What you need to do, click on buy now, click on limit. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will pay of that USDT on your account, and click on buy ELX. Now if you click on markets, drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy ELX token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.